Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Wireless Color Detection Robot using Python, OpenCV and Raspberry Pi Pico. So here we are using Zigbee transmitter module connected with laptop, OpenCV and Python. So here we are using receiver module. It is connected to the Zigbee receiver module. It is connected to the serial communication of UART0 Raspberry Pi Pico. There are 4 pins. Those are connected with LEDs 18, 19, 20, 21 forward, backward, left to right indicators, L293D driver IC and motor 1, motor 2. So this is the combination. Red is the stop, green is the forward, blue is the backward, yellow is the left, orange is the right. Right, left, stop, forward, backward. So here we are connecting the Zigbee module. So it is sending the data through wireless communication. So we are sending the data through Zigbee transmitter module to Zigbee receiver module. So you can place in the normal floor also. It will go forward, backward, left, right, stop. So it's first of all 2 batteries for the power supply board and the Raspberry Pi Pico board, and there is 2 other batteries for the robot purpose. So there are two motors only. So these are the indicators: forward, backward, left, right, and all on means stop. So this is my hardware setup, and the software we wrote on Python coding. Okay, so multiple color detection robot. Okay, so whenever I am clicking this, it will automatically connect. Okay, so now I'm going to take green. Okay, oh sorry, green, it is showing as a forward. Okay, blue backward, and then orange right, and then yellow left. Okay, yellow left, red is the stop. Okay, so now I'm giving the power supply. Okay, red. Now I'm going to give forward LED. Okay, blue, backward LED. Okay, then yellow means left LED, third LED, left LED. Okay, then orange. Okay, orange. Now I'm going for the green, forward LED. Okay, forward, backward LED. Blue, red, red means stop. Okay, then green, forward. Okay, blue backward, yellow left. Okay, then orange right. Okay, red is the stop. Okay, so color based robot based on the color detection: red stop, green forward, backward, left, right. So all stop means robot stop means all LED should be on. Okay, so whenever I'm going to show forward LED. Okay, whenever I'm showing to red means stop. Okay, red means stop. Then left means okay, left LED. Orange right, green blue means backward is coming. Okay, then red to stop. Color detection robot, okay, using OpenCV Python. So this is our block diagram. Okay, so whenever I am removing this, automatically it will disconnect. because of I am disconnecting this. So here is the reset button. You can restart the kit. L293D driver IC to control the DC motors, 2 batteries for the motors, 4 LEDs to indicator, forward LED, backward LED, left LED, right LED. These 2 batteries for the power supply, Zigbee module power supply, and a Raspberry Pi Pico 5 volts power supply. So these 2 batteries for this power supply board, and these 2 batteries for the robot and L293D purpose. And these are the so red to stop, green forward, backward, left to right, and this is my code. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded.